this video is going to be on Exam 2 Fall 2021. Problem 1. True or false? A conventional fixed-wing aircraft is flying in a straight level trim condition with its center of mass located at h equals 0.22. Instantaneously, the center of mass shifts to a new location, h equals 0.18, while everything else about the aircraft, including the state vector, remains the same. The lift acting on the aircraft at the instant after the shift in the center of mass is greater than the lift acting on the aircraft in the original trim condition. Justify your answer. So basically, this is asking if the lift after you change the location of the center of mass is greater than the lift before you changed it. Okay, so the distance to the center of mass is originally that, and the new one is this. And we know that it's straight and level, so that tells us these things are true. We want to know, is this true? Is the new lift greater than the old lift? Okay. So we know that lift equals weight, so we can do lift equals weight over these parameters. And we know that the rho doesn't change because the height is not changing because it's straight and level. We know that the state vector doesn't change, and u is a component of the state vector, the x component of velocity, and s is geometry. So the geometry of the wing is not changing. So these are all constant, and mass is also constant, gravity is constant, so L, lift, is constant. So if you have constant lift, then it's false, because lift is not greater than it was before. But something to note is that because your new CG is less than it was before, the moment arm for the lift acting about this center of mass is much less. So the moment about the center of mass is going to be smaller. But that's not what the question is asking. It's just asking, does lift increase? No, it doesn't. And then the rest of the question, so this is lateral dynamics. We only are covering longitudinal dynamics on exam 2. And then the last question is about quadcopter dynamics and not stability. And we're covering longitudinal stability on exam 2. So yeah, we don't need to worry about that problem either.